Good morning, first grade. For today's math lesson, you're going to be able to demonstrate the value of money. You're going to be able to recall sums, determine the temperature, and interpret a story problem. So, can you turn to page 317? Now, let's look at one. It says, count the cents and add. So, that first coin there, Mr. Rand, that's actually half a dollar. Okay? Yes, half a dollar's due is this. And half a dollar is worth 50 cents. That's worth 50 right there. So we're gonna write 50 right here. And yes, half a dollar is actually bigger than a quarter. Okay, let's move on to the dimes. Let's count the dimes: 10, 20, 30. So here we're adding 50 plus 30. Let's add 0 plus 0 is 0. Of course, write my cent sign. And then 5 plus 3 is 8. So 50 cent plus 30 cent, you're going to have 80 cent. So when you're working with these different problems, make sure you take the time to count each coin to add them up, and then you find out the sums together. Let's move on to number 2. It says fill in the box with the correct answer. Okay, so let's look at this question. It says how many tens are 206? So we're looking at the digit in the tens place. Let me adjust my camera here. So tens place is there. 0. What about the next one? There are blank ones in 95. So you look at the ones place. How many ones are in 95? There's 5. So you write 5 right there. Okay, let's move on to number 3. Number 3 says, what is the temperature? Okay, and notice it's past 80, but it's not at 90. So it's somewhere between 80 and 90. So we put maybe 85, 86. That's completely fine, okay? Let's move on to the next page, page 318. Okay, here we're adding 183 plus 245. Okay, 3 plus 5. What is 3 plus 5? That is 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. Next, what is 8 plus 4? What is 8 plus 4? 8 plus 4 is 12. Okay, notice the 2 goes there and 1 goes up top. Let's add 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 2 is 4. So 183 plus 245, your answer will be 428. Then when you move on to number 2, it says write the sums for the doubles. Let's focus on 3. It says Tanya and Tina have a swimming lesson at 3:30. It takes 30 minutes to get to the pool. Set the clock to show the time they should leave. So we're going to work on that right now. Okay, so Tanya and Tina have a swimming lesson and they have to be there by 3:30. However, to get there, it takes how long? So it takes 30 minutes. So what time should they leave out the house to get there by 3:30? Okay, so if it takes 30 minutes just to get there, they should leave out the house by 3 o'clock. All right, so 3 o'clock would be the perfect time because 3 o'clock plus 30 minutes. That will give you 3:30. So that's the exact time to get where they have to go to that swimming lesson. Now, next one says the twins swimming lesson takes an hour and a half. What time would they finish if they started practice? Okay, so here, here they at swimming practice. It is now 3:30, and it takes an hour and a half. So notice the time change. So notice it's 3:30, and we're going. Let's do an hour first. Okay, so move the time 1 hour will be 4:30. But it said an hour and a half. So a half, we adding 30 plus 4:30. So that time will be 5. Notice, because they're there at 3:30, it takes an hour and a half. So the next hour will be 4:30. And then you still adding a half hour. So they should be finished swimming by 5 o'clock.